Real machining is the best way to understand a machine. This is the SZGH-T6 Drill and Tap Center, designed for practical metal parts processing. The 700 by 420 mm work table provides flexible space for different fixtures and workpieces. Equipped with the SZGH-1080 VME control system, the machine supports stable operation and convenient control. The BD30 direct drive spindle delivers high-speed machining performance for drilling, tapping, and milling applications. With spindle speed up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, the T6 is built for efficient machining of small and medium metal parts. The 21-tool servo magazine allows the machine to complete multiple processes in one machining cycle. From drilling and tapping to milling, the T6 supports real workshop production needs. Every process is designed for stable machining, efficient production, and practical factory use. SZGH provides practical CNC machine tools and automation solutions for small and medium manufacturing enterprises. Contact us for the T6 catalog and full specifications.